Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. For me here, it is a fantastic spring morning and the perfect day to start this 7-day spring challenge. So what we're gonna do is often in spring, we do some cleaning, we clean out our houses, create some space. So we're gonna try and do that in the body and leave you feeling really good to begin the rest or continue on with the rest of the year. So I've been joined by the Swiss cows today. The birds are everywhere, lovely fresh air, lovely temperature. So let's get started in mountain pose, just to appreciate everything. So close your eyes, roll the shoulder blades down your back, take some deep breaths. As you're breathing, try and fill up the abdomen here. Good, couple more deep breaths. Begin to engage the quads here. Nice and strong posture. Good. Keep those eyes shut. One more deep breath. Good, inhale, reach up. Let the ribs come up, lift the heart. And very gently exhale to fold. So not a very deep fold. I'm just as stiff as you. It is the morning here, so take it easy. Maybe keep a very gentle bend in the knees. Begin to feel that stretch. Hands can be on the thighs as well. Good. Press into the feet. Begin to rise back up. Use the glutes and the legs, not hinging in the back here. Take that weight out of the lower back. Inhale, lift. Reach the heart up. Exhale, hands to the side. Good. Inhale, reach up. Lift the heart, lift the chest. Exhale, fold. Again, bend the knees. We're just going to do a few reverses just like this, nice and gentle. Inhale, begin to press, use the legs. Lift up. Connect the palms. Exhale, hands to the side. Good, we're gonna add an element to it now, so inhale, reach back up. And add a few little wiggles here at the top. Begin to move that spine, nice and gentle. Tuck the pelvis under to protect the lower back here, since it is the morning. Good, exhale, bend and fold. This time, take the hands around the leg if you can, no worries if you can't, and begin to lift for a deep stretch. See if you can grab onto the ankle, pull yourself down. Juicy stretches today, beginning with a nice feel-good flow. Good, press into the feet, rise all the way up, reach the arms up, and begin to wiggle back and forth. Again, moving the spine. Good, exhale, hands to the side. Here we go, inhale, lift again. Add those wiggles. And exhale, begin to fold. Bring those hands behind your leg, lift the hips up. Good. So if you're here, that's okay too. All the way up here, don't worry about it. Stretching in the morning is going to be much more difficult. Good, press into the feet. Inhale, rise all the way up, add those wiggles again. Maybe bring them to the whole body, and exhale, bring the hands to the side. Good job. Deep breaths. Nice, let's begin. Sun salutations. Actually, first, forgot, let's warm the wrists up a little bit here. It is the morning, really important to warm up. Add a few little wrist circles before we bear some weight in downward dog. And then a few little arm circles to the right. Well, it is the morning for me, but it's still good to warm up, whatever time of day you're doing this video. Good, other side. Such lovely spring air. We could literally talk about the weather for hours. I wish the weather wasn't small talk. Good. Okay, inhale back to the middle, reach the arms up, lift the chest, exhale, fold. all the way down. Good job. Inhale halfway. Exhale, step the hands back into your plank. Deep breath. On the next exhale, bring those knees down to the mat. Take it easy on the shoulders to begin with. Shift forwards and down. Inhale, lift to a nice little baby cobra here, using your back. Exhale, come through to tabletop first. Tuck the toes under, peel it up to your downward dog. Good. Let that spine decompress. Bend the knees if you need to. Find that length in the lower back. Sink the heels to the mat. Hopefully you can hear the nice bells of the Swiss cows. It's really nice. Ooh, first down dog of the day is amazing. Good, deep breath. Excellent. From here, slowly begin to walk between the hands. Come into a halfway lift. Hands can be on the legs, no worries. Exhale, fold. Press into the feet. Rise all the way up, use the legs. Connect the palms. And exhale, bring the hands through to the chest. Good job. One more, inhale, lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. And walk it back to your plank. Deep breath in. Exhale, bring those knees to the mat if you feel good, or if you feel ready to try chaturanga. Shift forward. Create that line so our body's strongest in lines. Bring the elbow right over the wrist. And inhale to lift. Try not to let the shoulder drift lower than the elbow. So either coming into cobra with the legs on the ground or lifting for upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Good, 2 deep breaths. One more breath. And exhale, walk to the top of your mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Press into the feet, rise all the way up, connect those palms. Exhale, bring the hands through the middle, good job. All right, let's open the rest of the body up, here we go. Take a deep breath. Hands to the sides. Maybe add a few more little snakes here with the arms up if you feel like it. We'll make our way to down dog to begin. So exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, step it back to your plank. And either take your flow or just head straight up to down dog. Good. 2 deep breaths. Here we go. Right, so inhale, bring that right leg up. Flex the foot. Inhale, bring the knee towards the chest, knee to nose. Deep breath. Now if you struggle with the step up, shift slightly to your side, lift up on those right fingers, keep that knee nice and tight, and kind of flick it forwards here. Good. Deep breath in our runner's lunge. Oh my gosh, I hope you can see that bird. That was lovely. They're coming for the food. Good. Press, inhale, lift. And exhale, bring those hands behind your body. Nice base here. If you need to readjust, no worries. Try and interlace the fingers. Press the hands down towards the chest or towards the glutes, to the ground, and lift. Lift that chest nice and gentle. Good. Begin to very gently extend that right leg. This is a bit hard for you in pyramid pose. Bring that back heel to the mat for more stability. Maybe raise the arms up a little bit. Good. Inhale, lift. Exhale, fold down over that right leg. Interlace the fingers behind it here. Try and see if you can step up. Keep the fingers behind the leg and again, fold it down. Good job. Inhale halfway, release the hand. Exhale, step it back to plank. Deep breath here. Exhale, shift forwards and down, or head straight to your down dog. Inhale, up dog or cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Bring that fresh air, bring those deep breaths into the lungs. Reach those places in the lungs you wouldn't normally reach when we're just kind of shallow breathing all day. It's really important to breathe deep. And a lot of us don't actually use our abdomen in the right way to breathe. We kind of suck it in. Instead, we should be letting it expand outwards. Good. Base on that right foot. Inhale, raise the left leg up. Flex the foot. Exhale, bring it into the chest. Tuck that knee in, shift forwards. Again, you can come up on the fingers if that helps. Flick it towards the top of the mat. Good, nice base here. Feel free to adjust. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, hands behind your back. Interlace the fingers, press them down. Inhale, lift. Exhale, begin to fold down towards that front left leg. Try and extend the leg if you can, no worries if you can't. Again, bring that right heel to the mat if you need that extra little bit of a base. Good, release the hands, bend the knee again. Interlace those hands underneath the left leg this time. And what we're gonna do is try and step it forwards. Hands on that leg, exhale to fold. Good, deep breaths. Inhale halfway. Exhale, step it back to your plank, deep breath. Either exhale to down dog or to take your flow. Two deep breaths, good job. Good, inhale, raise the right leg up. Exhale, step it between the hands. And from here, bring that left knee down, peel it back. We're gonna come into our monkey split. So this can be really unsturdy for some people because they can't get the hands to the mat here without rounding the back too much. So we're looking for that length in the back. And if you struggle with this, try and bring that left shin over a little bit here. So you can kind of go down towards the leg with more of a base. Else use some blocks, it really helps for this position. Stretching out the hamstrings this morning. Good. Walk those hands forward, bend the knee, lift off of the left leg. Right hand is our base now. Step that right leg in the middle of your mat and reach the left arm over. Gate pose, or fallen gate pose is what I like to call it. Inhale, rise up to full gate pose. Very nice. Good, exhale, hand down. From here, lift that right leg up, step it back, and try and take a seat here. I just kind of fell there slightly, but just be a little gentle here. So stepping that leg back, you can use the other hand to lower yourself down. Shift here. Then right leg comes over the left. Inhale, reach the arms up. And exhale, twist to the right. So the left arm is on the outside of that right leg. Good. From here, extend the right leg back again. Pivot over towards the mat. Try and lift straight up to your plank if you can. And exhale to down dog. Good job. Good. Inhale, raise the left leg up. Exhale, bring it in towards the chest. Step it between the hands, knee down. And peel it back to that monkey splits. Half monkey splits. Monkey splits is actually the full splits. We're not doing that this morning. Good. Again, if this is trouble or struggling or difficult for you, bring that shin to the mat, lift up a little bit. Try and work on the length in the back. It's just like a forward fold. We're really looking for that deep hamstring stretch, but grounding the heel here can actually help to stretch into this pose. Don't put weight on the knee. So I'm just resting my hands there. Good, bring it forwards. Left hand down, pivot on to your side. Bring that left knee into the middle of the mat. Inhale, reach the right arm up and over. Gate pose. And then inhale to rise on the next breath for full gate. Exhale here. Good, left hand down. Raise that left leg up. Again, take your time here. Place the right hand down if you need to. Very gently lower it down. Pivot to the side. And now we're going to take the left leg over the right. Inhale, lift. And exhale, twist. Inhale to lift and fill the lungs again. Good. Extend the leg. Pivot all the way back to your plank if you can. Take your time. Deep breath. And exhale to down dog. Good job, guys. Whew, nice. Nice, gentle, slow stretch this morning. Take a second, let that spine relax. Good, then bring those knees down. Bring that right leg forwards. Pivot so you're sitting towards the long edge of the mat. Let's bring the feet together, so soles of feet together. Going for a little hip open here with the bound angle. So try and bring those heels as close to your body as you can. Maybe press on the knees here. Just very gently ease into this pose. It's a bit of a different stretch if you press the knees down than if you hinge forward. So I recommend trying both. See what you feel like stretching today or mixing both up. Mixing in both. Good, lift it back up. Bring that right leg in front of you. And bring the left leg on top of the right. So trying to stack the foot with the knee. If this is too much, try and bring the legs in a little bit here. So maybe that bottom foot, maybe the top foot. And from here, you feel a nice stretch on the outside of that upper leg's hip and lean down towards the feet. Fire log pose. I really like the name of this one. Oh, there's the bird. This bird's been here the whole time. Really nice. Good. Inhale up. Swap sides. Exhale down. Inhale up. Bring those feet into a nice seated position here. Take a deep breath, find that nice posture again. Bringing the shoulders, not locking them back all the way. We want them kind of in the middle here, but kind of bringing those shoulder blades onto the back slightly. Good. So inhale, reach up. Exhale, bring the hands through the middle. And thank yourself for practicing today. And thank you for practicing with me today. I hope you enjoyed day one of our 7-day spring challenge. It's amazing to do another challenge. I really love the challenges. So I'm looking forward to practicing with you for the next week. And I hope these sequences really kind of leave that good, spacious feeling in your body. So I will see you tomorrow. Until then.